Hello everybody and welcome to the Crypto Session Brief. We're on Friday the 16th of December 2022. Interesting week for Bitcoin so far. Certainly a lot more movement, a lot more volatility than we saw last week. But as you can see now, if we were to close the week right now on this spot, we'd basically be flat. So this was the open of the week. So we'd be down 80 points, which in 100 points, which in the world of Bitcoin is absolutely diddly. So yeah, interesting week. Like I said, attempted break to the upside, and then we've seen an interesting looking reversal daily pin bar off one of our overhead levels. I will say this is a level we've had on our charts now for some time. If you've been tuning into these briefs, around that 18345 handle. Interesting pin bar reversal off there, so really nice trade back down into 17,000. And the selling yesterday and so far today has been very much a correlation with global equities and risk assets in general, which have been selling off. And you've seen strength into the US dollar, weakness across equities, weakness across the likes of high beta currencies like the Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar, and then also the sector of crypto, which, as we know, is a risk on asset, if you wish to call it that, tradable asset, let's say. So Bitcoin now trading at the 17,000 handle. Let's see where we finish the week. Like I said, we'll be pretty flat right now if it was to close out. Ethereum, from a technical perspective, we've broken below the ascending trend line and also rejected off 1281. So a nice technical play there, not looking too pretty in one sense, but we now need to see it hold above 1185. So back down at that key level, 1185. Failed breakout of what was the range. You know, we did get that H4 close above, but we didn't see a follow through on that at all, and the rejection when we retested it, failure to hold at the trend line, and then so far today we've seen that rather large move down, and that could intensify further with the US Open in around about an hour, 2 hours time from now. Litecoin also selling off, wasn't able to hold 75, so now we're moving down back into the 60s, and the 60 area now is surely going to be the round number target to fully fade that move that we saw. When was that now? Gosh, it wasn't even that long ago. It was 22nd of the 11th, 23rd that we saw that big spike higher. Ripple as well. Ripple has been pretty flat and quiet now for the best part of 3 weeks, but we are seeing that move down today. We have seen several rejections off around the point for that 40 cents handle. So you've seen several rejections off there. So I haven't been able to get a close above there at all this week or last week, and then that's been followed up today by some selling in line with other cryptos. That's pretty much it from my end. There's not too much else to report today.